play, E17.5 Sportsman truck B main. 2 of you guys are bumping up. The other 6, better luck next time. In less than 5. Couple of jumps there. Good clean start. Good job. Go to make a pass, guys. Try to make it clean.
Come on, Taylor, clean it up.
Oh, that's sweet. There, Jeremy Smith gets spun out. Gonna push you down the last. Meanwhile, Taylor Maney out front. Alan Puff in the 2. Taylor Justice 3. Jason Miller 4. Pat Lowe 5. Jeremy Smith 6.
Better run, AJ. He's coming.
Your leader, Taylor Maney, in that gray number 3. Coming down the back straightaway. Alan Puff in the 2. In his blue flame truck. Taylor Justice in the 3. Taylor in the number 28 Haviland. Only 2 of you will be bumping. Right now, that would be Taylor Maney and Alan Puff. This has actually been a very good, clean race so far, so we still have 55 laps to go, though, drivers. Fast lap goes to Taylor with a 389. Oh no, Jason Miller gets slammed into the wall. Alan Puff in the 2. Taylor Justice 3. So Jason Miller gets no love today. .46 laps to go. Taylor, Alan, Taylor Justice, Jeremy, Pat, and Jason. So battle is for second place. Oh, Alan just spun it out. That's going to let Taylor Justice move into the 2. That was your robot. This is the second place gets spun out. Now Alan back in it. We got a battle on our hands. 2 and 3 right there together. The leaders just got knocked back down. So in order now, Taylor Maney, Taylor Justice, Alan Puff. Everyone's still on the same lap, or at least Taylor and Alan are. That is your closest battle. Your leader in that number 3, right behind second place. Actually, no, Taylor Justice is now in the lead. All 3 of them right there on the same lap. So those 3 guys, that is for the bump spot coming through. Alan Puff, look at the inside, takes it over. Nice move. Taylor Maney dropping down to 3. That's pushing him out of the bump spot. Meanwhile, Taylor Justice holding down the top spot.
Taylor,
Alan Puff in the 2. Taylor Maney 3. Taylor, you need to change your number from the 3 to a 1.
Maney just turned in earlier.
So we got 25 laps to go. Taylor Justice out front. Right behind him, Alan Puff. Taylor Maney right behind him. So still anybody's game. Now Pat Lowe's starting to make a creep up. He's up in the mix. Those are all guys are all on the same lap. Only one that's not is Jeremy Smith. Oh, Jeremy gets sideways. Good turnaround. He's going to pull it. So all 4 of these trucks here on the same lap, guys. Any one of you could get bumped up. Right now, Taylor Justice in the 1, Alan Puff in the 2, Taylor Maney 3, Pat Lowe 4. Alan's starting to catch up to first place Taylor. We got 15 laps to go. Taylor looking to hold on to that lead, but Alan's gaining on him. Only 0.6 of a second behind. These other 2 guys need to start catching up, though. Now, Pat Lowe going to take it over. Nope, Taylor taking it back. But as long as Taylor and Alan can keep it on their wheels, those 2 will be your bump spots. 5 laps to go. Uh-oh. Got some trouble. Oh, leader gets spun. Here comes Alan Puff. That's for the lead. 1 and 2 comes to the back straightaway. Number 28 and blue and red. Alan Puff looking to get around him. Not going to make it stick.
Come on, Alan, get around him.
Alan's quite down up there. And that's the run. Taylor Justice going to win that one. Alan Puff in the 2. Those are your bump stops. Good race, guys.